Welcome to my new channel, The Word Around Me. Uh, Please use your earphones for a better audio effects. Thank you. This is of my first channel and a visit to Mr. Vijay Raghavan. Thank you. As I told you, Mr. Raghavan is there with me. Mr. Raghavan, who is heading the materials department in Force Motors Pithampur. And in my first video of people around me, I'll just speak to him. I'll just run through the process of his life from his childhood to the current conditions. So, welcome Mr. Raghavan on my show.
Good morning, Alexander.
Good morning. I understand that you started your life from Shornur in Kerala.
Yes,
So
I was-
can you?
Actually, I was born in a place called Shornur in Kerala. We were in Shornur because of my father was working in Shornur railway junction. He was working as a special grade driver there. I am actually from a very big family comprising of my father, mother, and 9 sisters. I am the only son in the family. My primary education was in a convent, St. Teresa's convent, up to 4th. Then from 5th onwards, I joined a English medium school only for boys, and I completed my 10th in 1977. And since there was no further colleges in Shornur at that time, I had to go further for about 15 kilometers, a place called Ottapalam.
That was also in Kerala.
Yes, that is also in Kerala. That is also in Palakkad district. And I completed my BCom there in 1980.
Yeah, so you are from Palakkad area of Kerala.
Yes,
I think I understand that some lot of people are very beautiful, particularly the females in that particular area.
Even Vidya Balan from that place.
Right.
Then further, after completing my graduation in 1982, I actually went to Pune. My whole purpose of my going to Pune was just to type.
You completed your BCom.
Yes.
Okay.
I was awaiting my results, so I thought that there was these 2 months I had nothing to do in Shornur. So I thought I will visit Pune, see my sister, and come back.
Your sister was there in Pune.
Yes. Her husband was working in Greaves Cotton and Company at that time. So I went to Pune and I stayed with her for about a month. But during my stay, I suddenly felt this is the place where I should actually stay and work.
So like that place, you like
Yes,
Pune.
yes. Then
Like
I told
many
my
other
ambition to
people.
my father, mother. They reluctantly agreed to that, and then I started searching for a job. In the meanwhile, I got my result and all my certificates, and then I first joined a company called Surson Industries Private Limited. They were making electrolytic capacitors. So
How big was the company?
it was a very small company of about some 10-12 crores business, something like that, a year. Very small company.
And you were put in materials department there.
Yes, I was put in earlier in finished goods stores, and then I was asked to handle all the raw material stores also. So I was also looking after, then subsequently after my completion, as completion of my probation, I was also handling purchase. So earlier I was given the charge of finished goods stores. Subsequently it was extended to raw material stores. So since that was more related to materials, I thought I should now specialize in materials. With the view, and I joined a course from Indian Institute of Materials Management and completed 2 years GDMM course.
A part-time course.
Yes, it's a part-time course. I used to complete my work and then go to Pune city, and then from 6 to 8:30 there used to be the classes.
But simultaneously you did MBA also, or MBA
Just
or did
after
later on?
later on I completed my MBA.
Okay.
Then that was in 1988 to 90 I completed my MBA. Then that was a major turning point in my life, wherein I got married.
In MBA? No,
I got married.
I thought you got married. Okay.
I got married.
Uh-huh.
Actually, Meera was working with me
In the same company?
Same company.
Mhm.
So we had, of course, we had a lot of initial hiccups.
No, she was
our
not from your
family.
community.
Yes.
Mhm.
And she was a Tamil Brahmin, and I am basically a Kerala Brahmin. So I used to, my family, even though there was some initial hiccups, they were thinking that Raghavan will not make any mistakes, so probably they accepted. But Meera's family was not very happy about it, and though the marriage was conducted in Nigadi temple, wherein her family members also had been present, but there were not much response from them, from the family. So we thought it is better to leave the things as it is, and we started living separately. And after a few months, I thought this is the time for us to have a change. So we shifted. I started searching for a job, and I got an offer from Aristocrat Universal Luggage Manufacturing Company Limited, Satara. So I joined that company, and Meera also shifted there, and both of us were working. And then after 3 years or so, then
Yes, yours was a law marriage.
yes.
So in which language do you used to communicate? Tamil or Malayalam?
No, we know. Malayalam. I was. Of course, it was my mother tongue, and Tamil Meera's mother tongue, and we had a common language, Hindi and English. So earlier we used to have communications in Hindi and English, and then slowly I started talking to her in Tamil. She started talking to me in Malayalam, and now we are talking in all the languages. So language is not at all a problem. So my son, in the meanwhile, in 1993, twin kids were born to us.
That was when you were in Satara or?
No, I came to Pune. By the time I had come to Pune.
You shifted to job again?
Yes. Then I joined, after I joined Bajaj Tempo. So that was in 1993. I joined the company in the month of April 93, and the kids were born in August 1993.
Great.
So we had a torrid time.
So what I understand is one of your son is a special child.
Yes. Actually,
And how did you brought him up?
No, actually, earlier we were not knowing about this. Actually, she had a 8-month delivery. Since it was a premature delivery,
okay.
The doctor had told us that all these milestones will be delayed. So we were thinking that आज नहीं तो कल वो ठीक हो जाएगा.
तो एक तो ठीक था,
हाँ,
दूसरा
एक तो
problem
धीरे-धीरे मतलब he was touching his milestones, but the other fellow मतलब कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा था, वो सिर्फ लेटे रहता था, and he was some shrieking voice बनाता था. तो हम डॉक्टर से बार-बार
both your sons were identical twins?
नहीं, आइडेंटिकल नहीं है.
Identical नहीं.
मतलब दोनों अलग-अलग
दिखते हैं,
इसलिए आइडेंटिफाइबल है.
हाँ.
देन हमने नाम रखा वरुण एंड तरुण.
Okay, great.
उसके बाद maybe after about 2 years or so, then we came to know finally that one of the kid is a special kid. So then we started doing the physiotherapy treatment and other things for him. We found that some homeopathy treatment can give some sort of result.
You
So we
explored all the
yes.
possibilities.
And we started doing homeopathic treatment, and he was getting response for that. So in the meanwhile, my company asked me.
Was it very difficult to bring up such a child?
Yes, it is some sort of difficult, but though I would say if parents are positive in their approach, such type of kids can easily be brought up. they require a lot of attention and
Lot of love, you mean, love and care.
and a lot of repetitive talking, instructions, etc. Then only they will be able to understand what you are actually trying to say. But they will pick up.
Right.
I mean, this is my experience. From my experience, I'm telling you. Then I was transferred to Pune, Pitambur plant. So since I was not very much familiar with Indore city, I thought it will be better to remain in essential housing till I establish myself. Then
Essential housing is located near the factory.
yes,
in
very,
Pithampur.
very near the factory.
And Pithampur is around 36 kilometers from Indore.
Yes. So, but then we started feeling that
Inadequacies of
yes
facilities in Pithampur.
In Pitambur, not even you cannot see even a rickshaw, auto rickshaw. So the place from we were coming from a city like Pune, it was very difficult for me to adjust to the conditions of Pitambur. But
many of our friends are staying there.
yes, because of the friends, Kanade Saab was also staying, Mr. Jayachandran was also staying, Mr. Harkawat was also there, this Minu Sinha's family was also there. So we somehow we were able to, manage things. Then we thought, this is the right time for me to shift to Indore. So in 2003, I shifted from Essential Housing Colony to Indore. So I took up a rented house and started staying in a house very near to our Indore office. Then from there, I maybe for about 3
Subsequently
years.
moved to some other house and then
Yes. Then I purchased a house in Kajrana Road, and then now I have shifted to a new house in Kanadia Road.
this colony is known as
Green Valley. This is a township.
this is a
comprising
gated
of-
society. This is a gated society basically.
Yes,
where everything is available inside.
Yes. We have everything, and we are blessed with 24 hours water, light, watchman, everything. So we are able to live happily here. Now,
And how is your son now? You got the first son.
Other son was been normal. He has completed his graduation, and then he has gone for further studies. He is pursuing his MBA from Symbiosis Pune. He has already completed 1 year. He has now entered the second year.
Great.
So then
And now you are staying with your one son here, the other son is in
Yes.
hostel.
Yes.
Right. Great.
then
Now your son is comfortable. He's going to the school.
yes, he's going to school and he's comfortable, and he is able to do things almost everything.
Which school
by
is
himself.
going?
He's going to a place called school called Swalamban, which is run by Indore Society for Mentally Retarded. It's
Okay.
a charity.
Charity medicine.
Yes.
I understand that you have arranged for one vehicle to be donated to them.
Yes, actually, they were requiring one tempo traveler, so I requested the letter which was sent by them I forwarded to chairman, sir. He was kind enough to give them a vehicle free of cost.
But you did not ask them for a free of cost vehicle.
No, actually I did not ask, but the chairman was kind enough to grant this.
So you and you, your son and the entire society must be thankful to Dr. Abhay Firodia.
Yes, they are very much thankful to Dr. Abhay Firodia for this noble
Cause.
for
Right. Great.
And now I am working here as a senior divisional manager, looking after the stores and logistics activities.
And you worked in purchase also sometime back?
Yes, what the purchase department, which now you can see is probably established by me.
Great.
With
In its present condition.
yes,
Present form rather. Right?
yes, Then I was asked to handle the MAN stores and
Achha.
logistics activities. So I was transferred back from purchase to
Exclusively for stores.
Force. And subsequently the stores in Force Motor itself has enlarged to finally now I am looking after all these activities. We have about 5-6 stores in Pitambur.
Can you say some of the new practices that are being followed in stores?
No, a lot of new improvements we have introduced recyclable packing for a lot of components, wherein we are now able to reduce the packing
Packing cost.
packing materials cost. So actually we were actually handling about 8 to 10 tons of packing materials in the company, which was becoming a big problem. So a lot of now awareness is made, and a lot of items are now coming with the recyclable packing, and concept of two-bin system has been introduced. Then we have also introduced kit system of issue to line.
So those are the new practices you are
Yes,
following.
yes.
Coming back to your personal life, I understand that you are a very religious person.
Yes, I am very religious. I am a strong believer of God, and then whenever time permits, I go to temples and for worship of God.
You have visited all the Jyotirlingas, I
A
understand.
lot of Jyotirlingas I have visited. I am yet to complete it. 4 of them are still remaining. I will try to complete that in a couple of years' time. And because of my son, it was necessary for me to plan well in advance for any trip. So because of that, I have developed a habit of planning well in advance as to which train we should go, which class we should go, when we should go, where to go, etc.
Up to what minute details you go in that?
I used to plan in such a way when I will be reaching a particular place, up to which time I will have to wait in a station, from where I have to take a subsequent train, from where I will go to hotel, which hotel.
No, but you also plan about your food also. Huh?
Yes.
How do you do that?
No, because we know we will select such a train where we get good foods in the station. When we are going from, let us say, from Indore, there is one Ahilyanagari Express, which has a fairly good canteen, pantry car attached to it. So we are not bothered about that. But then when we are going to Bhopal, from there, if we are going to some other place, then if such case, we will certainly see that we will reach the place in such a time that we get good food at good station. And now, even though the food has become costly, but at least quality wise.
But normally you plan for your visit 6 months in advance and all that?
Almost 4 months in advance.
And you get leave sanction?
Yes, because since I am planning and completing all my activities in 4 months, then I also used to put up my leave application about 3.5 months in advance.
Okay. And any specific persons who have helped you in your career?
There are a lot of persons to name, but Mr. Umrani from my early
He was your
stages.
first boss in Force Motors?
Yes, he has helped me to settle in for Bajaj Tempo, and then subsequently Mr. Brigadier Tandon. He was very helpful to me, and then after coming to Pitambur, yes, of course, Mr. P.B. Jain, and then Mr. Namdar, Mr. Kanade, then of course you, then Mr. Chandramohan. I was really, I really got a chance to work with all of these people who has helped me to settle in my job successfully.
So you are very happy with your life, or you have some regrets?
No, I don't have any regrets. I am a very optimistic person and I am happy with what I am.
Or whatever you have achieved
Yes,
in that.
whatever.
What do you plan after retirement? Say after
Actually,
10 years or so you will retire.
I would like to actually continue in Indore. That is what as of now I have decided. And then visit my relatives once a while. Then be happy because Indore I found very calm and nice city.
मैंने सुना आपको खाने का भी बहुत शौक है.
खाने का तो शौक है, मुझे देखकर ही कुछ पता चलेगा. बट ये जो आई एम ए रेगुलर विजिटर टू चपन दुकान, सो नमकीन
what single
एक बार जब मैं पूना से इधर ट्रांसफर हो रहा था तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि चितले बंधु का जो मिठाई है
हाँ
उससे बढ़िया हो ही नहीं सकता.
चितले बंधु पूना में.
हाँ, तो उससे बढ़िया मिठाई हो ही नहीं सकता करके. बट आफ्टर कमिंग टू इंडोर आई हैड टू चेंज ऑल माय
ओपिनियन. और दाल बाटी चूरमा खाया कभी आपने इंदौर का?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली नो सर.
You are not eaten. And what is the opinion about poha?
पोहा तो इंडोर का आदमी पोहा का बिना जी नहीं सकता.
जी नहीं सकता है.
इट इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ एनी इंडोरियन.
And I understand that this is your second house in Indore, and you have got planned. You did all the planning of your house yourself. You
Yes,
did
I
have
did.
a look around your house
Yes.
after completing this, and then I would like to show that also because I understand
So
that.
I myself and my wife we were very keen that we should plan things in the way we want before we start living here. So we had about 1.5 months in between. So we planned each and every room. We planned according to our requirements.
और आपका एक you had a dream of buying a dream car. You
Yes.
have mentioned this to me some time back. What happened to that dream?
नहीं, वो ड्रीम अभी तक मतलब इट इज स्टिल एक्टिव एंड मे बी इन अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स टाइम दैट ड्रीम शुड कम
The
ट्रू.
dream car is the same or you have changed it?
थोड़ा सा चेंज हो रहा है.
अच्छा. और मैं you have almost all the most modern gadgets in your house, very expensive gadgets like refrigerator, TV, all that. We'll have a look at that. Okay, Mr. Raghavan, thank you very much for being with us and sparing your time.
Thank you, sir.
Any special message you want to convey?
No, ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है. I'm a very ordinary man. So be happy with what you have in life. That will make you really happy.
चलो, great. Thank you, Raghavan sir.
वेलकम हालाकंडी साहब, आइए.
Thank you,
मैं थोड़ा जगह जरा वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए करके ये सब अरेंजमेंट कर लिया था. मेरा भी एक इच्छा था 55 इंच टीवी लेने का. मैंने 55 इंच का टीवी ले लिया है.
और ये फ्रिज
भी एक नया मॉडल.
और आपका बेडरूम का फर्नीचर आपने डिजाइन किया है, वार्डरोब एंड ऑल.
हाँ, इसमें हमने कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर दे दिया था, लाइट एंड डार्क.
हाँ.
तो
अरे एक और टीवी है.
हाँ, ये हमारा पुराना टीवी था. इसको हमने अंदर लिया अभी.
और ये वार्डरोब से. इसमें आपको बाथरूम कहाँ अटैच है? इसमें
एक्चुअली बाथरूम भी हमने ऐसा डिजाइन किया है कि लुक्स लेके वार्डरोब खोल देगा. तो ये है हमारा. एक्चुअली ये दरवाजे को भी हमने ये नहीं किया ना, वेस्ट नहीं करना था करके हमने उसको वो दरवाजा को ड्रेसिंग टेबल का आईना बना दिया.
अच्छा. और इसके पीछे बाथरूम है.
एक्चुअली इसका पीछे बाथरूम है. इसका पीछे बाथरूम.
ये आइडिया किसका था राघवन साहब?
ये मेरा वाइफ का आइडिया था. ये
जॉइंट आइडिया था मतलब. यू हैव नॉट कंसल्टेड एनी इंटरनल इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर?
नो.
राइट.
कुछ भी नहीं किया.
ओके.
ये जो सामने आपको दिखा देते हैं एकदम सामने, वो है कजराना टेम्पल. तो कजराना टेम्पल का वो 3 डोम जो भी है आपको दिखाई देगा यहाँ से. आपको एकदम इल्यूमिनेटेड दिखाई देगा. यहाँ से आपको बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल दिखाई देगा सामने. बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल, उसका बगल में रेडिसन.
ग्रेट व्यू.